How's everybody doing? It's Sean with Divine Dents, and today I'm with my son and we're headed to St. Louis to get some education. There's a company there. They are the 300 Alliance, and they're putting on a seminar for Hail Readiness. So we are going to add even more education and services to the package that we bring to you. Okay, so we'll check back with you a little later on. Take care. So we're out here on the road, y'all. Just giving you a little shot of where we're at. Almost in St. Louis, but just thinking, I got this little foot issue, having a gout attack, but I'm not letting that get in the way. We're getting down here and we're hustling so we can bring to you the best there is. Hey everybody, so we made it safely here to the casino, and this is where the event is going to be held tomorrow. It should be at 9 o'clock. Fortunately, in the city, I have a lot of family members, so I am here with one of my family members, but my son and I are going to go home, and we're gonna just end up just getting a nap and get ready to not a nap, but go to bed and get ready to get at it tomorrow morning. So we will see you guys in the morning. All right, take care.
You're up here, buddy. We're just talking about your Legos.
Okay, so when something happens, they pay out on it instead of you. The last item.
So we've finished with the first segment of the conference, and we're just having a little lunch right now. But I'm definitely getting more things reiterated and meeting new people, learning a few new things. So it's been great so far. But see how Sean feels about it. What do you think there, Sean?
Oh, it feels good. I like it. It's good to get around people that are actually in the industry now, instead of just a few local people that I've just started out meeting just starting out last year. But it's good. I'm just a sponge right now. I'm just learning and listening and getting information. So it's definitely a good experience.
Is there something in particular that you can benefit from the first portion of this seminar?
It just seems like everybody's got a lot of drive.
Lights on the top too.
What do you see?
I like all the tools on the top.
There's a lot of nice stuff, man. Man.
It's good. Good info. Good environment. I'm excited.
That concludes this video. We've had a great opportunity to come down and learn from these folks and get some information. So just watch out for what we bring to you here in the next months and Sundays, and we'll see you then. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.